I've reached out to members of the General Assembly, and I've also reached out to others to put a couple groups together. And one is a group to look at restaurants and how we reopen restaurants, what the safety precautions we're going to have in place, and the other is barbershops and salons. And so these will be two separate groups. So this is something that I think truly can make a difference. I've reached out to Speaker Householder, to Senate President Obhoff, House Minority Leader Sykes, and Senate Minority Leader Yuko. We've reached out to them to help identify people who work in these fields every day. Ohioans who may not be part of a bigger chain of businesses, for example. They may have their own barbershop. They may have their own salon. They may have their neighborhood restaurant, because we want to hear from them as well as the other people who are involved in the chains. So the legislative leaders and these also the relevant business associations are going to reach out to their members. And the legislature, they're going to reach out to their members and ask their members to identify people in their districts who might be part of this group. They will be meeting virtually. They'll be meeting on the phone. Obviously, they won't be meeting in person. But we intend to pull these groups together this week, start some discussions, look at best practices. We'll have some health people involved in that as well, and come up with some recommendations as we look to the future in regard to our next steps in this area.